Welcome back to Euneek's Garden, y'all. So it's my every other week watermelon wars update. Today's date is July 18th, 19th, something. It's the weekend, or July late teens. I'm gonna go with that. So let's get started. So these are the recent ones that I posted a little short about. And I named them the twins. Still looking good there. Yeah. Y'all, these vines have got out of control. This one here is a Congo, still going, still getting bigger. So that's nice. This one up here is Congo. This one, I think it's done growing. I'm gonna give it to my boyfriend's parents. When I harvest this one later, I'll go ahead and weigh it and see. I guess this will be my first entry into the watermelon wars. Let's see. Y'all look. That sucker was growing. In between the slats, I had to cut them off. And this dried up line right here, this was the fake Carolina crosses when it had got me. I got them seeds on Etsy. That's what happened. That's okay. Like I said, I pulled it out. And in this place, I done put some oils to help with all this heat. So, we still got Big Daddy right here. He had an interesting shape, but he's still growing. So I'm gonna let him keep going. We do have some new contenders that came in. I don't know, because I ain't been able to get out here and prune back anything because it's been hot or it's been raining. And it has been raining every single day. I think yesterday was the first day we had rain in like 3 weeks. But this is a new one here. It's either a Jubilee or the Josh. I'm not sure. They both light seeded watermelon. So we'll see. But I got a new palette. So I done gave him a palette to grow up on. And I'll figure out which one is connected to. It might be the same as Big Daddy. We'll see. So we got somebody new in the game. Still got last week this Congo was a small. It is no longer small. It has looks like he done caught up to Big Daddy. Look at that. So still growing, still getting bigger. So that's good. One thing I did do was I took one of my Moon and Stars melons, which is not a competition. But that one that was in a 6-inch nursery pot and they actually put out a melon, I said, let me move this into an actual size grow bag. Some good Moon and Stars melons this year. Because last year I got one really good one and then I got one medium size. Moon and Stars. You can tell the Moon and Stars to those leaves. And that's what the melons look like too. But in here is the Congo that was trellising up my crop cage. I said, let me put him in his own bag too. Put him in the bag too. So there's a Moon and Stars in here, and then that one Congo that was trellising. And I done already harvested the melon that was on there. So hopefully you'll put out another one around here soon. It is definitely growing though. It's liking its new home. Now this one right here is a Jubilee. So that other one might be a Jubilee. It's real light skinned. It's still growing. So that's a good sign. Back in there, it's a little sugar baby. I ain't worried about that one. Also on this side is Jarosh. This is the one I have named David. I don't know. Look like he might be done. I'm not sure yet. But if it is, I'll harvest that one and weigh them in too. Look at my shadow all within the shot. So it ain't little, but he ain't the biggest no more. So it don't look like David is gonna win watermelon awards this year. It's out here, y'all. I'm gonna put the real date of whatever it is. But if y'all want to follow along on this watermelon wars journey at Euneek's garden, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, y'all.